why do we do this?
Every year, hundreds of Igbo professionals from across the United States and beyond spend their hard-earned money and time to descend on a different city and make it their own for a weekend.
We connect and reconnect, network, find love and new friendships. We dance and we celebrate wins and mourn losses together. We build new businesses and scale ideas like never before.
We gather to remember that although our paths have brought us to another place, we can never forget where we are from and our commitment to our Igbo.
But more than anything else, we unabashedly celebrate our heritage because for one weekend at least, it's the most important thing in the world. We celebrate because we know we're a part of a long line of trailblazers and game changers, and we recognize the head start that this legacy has handed us.
Every year, we make the choice to put everything else aside and be brazenly Igbo. We do this because we can.
We do this because we are Omu Igbo Unite.
We do this
Maka obodo anyị.